Hello painting peeps and welcome to the No Bra Zone. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. I'm happy you guys are joining me. It's about 9 o'clock at night and had nothing going on, and I figured I'd come down here and spend a little time with you all. Let's talk about what we're doing. Our canvas is a gallery wrap 10 by 20 inch canvas, and it's a reused one. I had a painting I did about 2 months ago, and I tend to stare at them for a while, and sometimes they just I kind of lose interest in them. And if I decided I didn't love it, I'm going to paint over it. So I have already primed this canvas. Our base coat is Artist Loft Black. That's mixed with my pouring medium, which is 75% Floetrol and 25% Golden GAC 800. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but I've got some really yummy colors that I think are going to look really nice on a black canvas. So I went ahead and put some colors in front of me, poured them into a cup, and added some more colors and thought, well, you know what? I think these are going to play well together. So let's talk about these colors. Guys, this is the prettiest color of copper I have ever gotten my hands on. This is the golden iridescent copper, and it's yummy. It's absolutely yummy. So that's one of our pretty guys today. This handsome cup right here is a combination of Deco Art Dazzling Metallics Champagne Gold and Deco Art Dazzling Metallics Rich Espresso. It's about half this, half that, and my pouring medium. My paint to pouring medium ratio, it depends on the paint, guys. I have a paint mixing video you're welcome to take a look at, but it's generally about 1 part paint to 2.5 parts pouring medium. The golden fluid paints take more pouring medium. So you're welcome to take a look at that if you want to see how I do things. We've also got more of our base coat here in this cup, our Artist Loft Black, which I think I'm going to put in with these other colors. This yummy guy right here is Folk Art Treasure Gold. This is the green gold or the vert, and I've been using quite a bit of him lately because he is very, very handsome. This yummy cup right here is a combination of Deco Art Metallics Gold with a couple of drops of the golden iridescent gold. And I think I'm going to layer my paints in these little 3-ounce cups. I'm going to probably do them in the order of the copper, the mix of Deco Art Champagne Gold and the Espresso, the black, then the green, the vert, then the gold. I'm going to probably do 3 layers in each cup, and I'm going to end with the black. So I am going to go ahead and put some tunes on for you, put some tunes on for me, and we're going to paint. I'm glad you're here with me, guys. Be well, be safe, stay happy.
All that I've been dreaming about, it is all too close. I got it all, but I'm paralyzed. I don't know which way to go. But I voices inside my head used to be my only friend, but they go silent when you're around. I hope you stay till the end. But I keep walking right into your arms, and even falling, I'm falling with you. I'm standing with you, got it all in my hands, but I don't know how to breathe. I'm walking outside, taking in all the air, but I don't know how to breathe. And I'm fading away under the night, but I figured it out. This is all 'cause of you. I'm standing with you,